consecutive roll for them. Positive, these big times are throwing right, forcing him down into the seat of the aircraft. Looking up at the ground now as he cranes his neck back in the inverted position and rolls the aircraft using all the 420 degrees per second rollway for the inside, outside, lift. Right there, all the blood rushing through his head now. Still that can be found in the cockpit of a major airlines Airbus 320. If you've ridden on airlines in the United States, you might have actually been one of John's passengers, and I promise you, if he had done this in that airplane, you'd remember that trip. Look for the 8-point roll, ladies and gentlemen, from right to left. And this is John Klatt, the starter S-300. Holds it right there. How long can your hammerhead out of that, ladies and gentlemen? And scribing another beautiful vertical line, absolutely perpendicular. This is aerobatic safety brought to you by your Air National Guard. Across the top once again is John Klatt. Step through 3 times. It says, let's recover at the end. Run the trip to avalanche. That's 3 step rules in the top of the ladies and gentlemen. Now watch as he gets ready to roll the aircraft upside down and do an inverted turn. As he puts the aircraft on the ground and going back on the pitch now. Going into the vertical, losing all ground reference. All he sees is that pumping cloud right over show center. An 8-point vertical roll, ladies and gentlemen. Can you imagine with no reference into the sky ahead of you how difficult it was for John to carve that 8-point roll with the 45 exact seconds all the way down the show line. Step rolls on a 45-degree down line as he's put on the aircraft today. The Sponiker S-300. Over 20 G's positive is what it's designed for, and he's using a lot of that capability today. It's a rugged steel fuselage with wood and fabric covering. Those over 700 airplane is giving. Look at the absolute beautiful and perfect square loop that John has just performed for us at Show Center. As he rolls on the vertical upline to the left, and that's another tumbling maneuver, hanging it over the propeller, recovering, still vertical, 0 airspeed. Back on the stick now, putting his nose to the ground, just changing the altitude for airspeed and getting the energy he needs for his next maneuver. In the Air National Guard, John again. The Sponiker aircraft is going up, bringing up the only unlimited aerobatics, and as you can see, simply just with a series of rolls to the left, front roll, consecutive rolls. Notice how he keeps the nose of the aircraft in a pinpoint position on the horizon at all times, never letting it waver. Leaving that Airshow curve round, he sets up for another tumbling nose over tail maneuver. Absolutely incredible, ladies and gentlemen. The skill, the practice, and the precision required to perform the maneuvers that John is doing for us today. Not taking out those 6,000 flying hours. A personal passion instilled only to the very best, and that comes from his passion for flying and his passion for the National Guard. John Klatt from Minnesota. And he brings it down to the rear seat once again, leading up throttle all the way to the firewall. Going into the vertical and striding that line again, he comes across the top, inverted down, looking up at the sky. At the ground, rather. Landing gear remaining straight up. Landing gear is inverted, he pushes negative down. Hanging it over the knife edge and walking on the rudder pedal, giving a great big wave. That's his salute. Aerobatic team. This is John Klatt and the Sponiker S-300. We thank John very much for being a part of our air show today. And in just a few moments, ladies and gentlemen, airplanes standing that same familiar red, white, and blue will take to the skies your United States Air Force Thunderbird. As he gets ready to land, smoke still on. Once as he touches down ever so gently on our primary air show, runway compensating for the crosswind, finding those main gear. Look at the minimum clearance between the prop tips and the pavement as he holds that stick forward. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been our pleasure that John Klatt of the Guarding America Defending Freedom Aerobatic team to be a part of your Saturday afternoon. We thank the Air National